Virginia has issued a tornado warning for eastern Harford County and northern Maryland until 9:45 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Aberdeen, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include HAVRE. Train spotters have reported rotation in this storm near the Maryland House Rest area along Interstate 95. The rotation was headed towards Aberdeen. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.